Hey parents, I just wanted to give you a brief overview of one of the tips and tricks that we are teaching the kids for multiplying threes, fours, and fives. We had a fluency quiz last week on threes, fours, and fives, and we are growing, but we're going to have another one this Friday. And so here are 3 example equations. And so you can see that I have, and it may be backwards on the video, and I'm sorry, but you can see that on, for example, 3 times 6, we know a threes trick, and so I tell the kids to show 6 with their fingers, and we will tap and count by threes. And so whenever we show this part of our finger, I show the kids how there's 3 little segments of our fingers, and so we count those as 1, 2, 3. So if we're showing 6, in order to tap that out, I always just start with my thumb of my 5 hand, just so that way I remember this part last, and it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we would have that 3 times 6 equals 18. Okay, so that's our threes trick. And none of our multiplication facts so far will go past our fingers, so we won't do 11s and 12s yet. And so they will only need to go up until where they can tap it out for threes. Our fours trick, I have it to where we'll tap and clap our fours. So whatever number is not our fours, if the fours trick is what we're trying to do, we'll show that other number, even if it comes second in the equation. So we would show 7, and since there's only the 3 little segments of our fingers, we use it as 1, 2, 3, clap 4. And so if we were doing this together, we would show 7, and again, I always start with my thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh, I skipped one, I'm sorry. Rather than re-videoing the whole thing, I'll do it again. Show 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Sorry. So 4 times 7 is 28. And another way that I show the kids that, so if, for example, they had gotten to 27 like I did, if there is an even number at all in the equation, in the multiplication sentence, then their product, their answer will have to be even also. So if they had gotten to 27, if they remember that the even number means that their total needs to be even, they would know that it would hopefully alert them to recalculate. Okay, and then 5 times 3, they could do the threes trick where we tap the 3 sections of our fingers, but I encourage the kids to skip count by 5s because they're more fluent with that. And so I'd tell them to show 3, and then we just tap and count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So then their total for 5 times 3 is 15. So hopefully that will help with homework help. I also encourage the kids with fluency quizzes to go through and do all the ones they know first. They've gotten pretty good at doing all the zeros, all the 1s, and then 2s we count as doubles. So like if it was 5 times 2, they could show 2 and skip count, but they also know that 2 5s is the same as 5 plus 5 is 10. So even if you're doing 2 times 12, you would know that 12 plus 12 is 24, instead of trying to work out how to show 12 fingers or things like that. So hopefully these tips and tricks will help you, and we will continue to grow and learn through multiplication this year.